Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today I will show you how to import hotel reviews that are negative, that are low rating, and on a specific subject using Trendomatic. So I thought of importing hotel reviews that are on a subject of roaches and bugs. So let me show you. I have here Trendomatic installed. It uses Webhost API to import content, and if we go to reviews to posts, here we can configure our importing rule. So in the query string we should enter this: site category travel, rating less than 3, bug or roach or cockroach. So this is the expression which defines and tells the plugin to import travel ratings that are lower than 3 stars, that contain bug, roach and or cockroach words. And let us save the settings. Let's go to our blog and see that is empty, and let's run importing. Importing shouldn't take pretty long, but it is finished. Let's refresh our blog, and here are the reviews. Let's see what we got. Bug, roach, yeah, 1.65 star reviews. And the description of the review. Also, this one, another negative review, another negative review. So this is how we can create a negative review site for hotels. We can edit the post content. We can also remove the author and the text. So if we go to settings, scroll down a bit and search for generated post content, here we can edit the content of the post that will be generated with the review. So if we want to leave only the review text in, we can delete everything and leave item content, and only the review text will be left inside the post. Also, if we can disable generating of featured images and rerun importing. And if we refresh the page, now there will be no featured images and only the review text left inside the post. Let's check another example. Okay, so as you can see, using this trick you can create review sites that gather negative reviews for hotels on a specific subject. So if you wish to create a site for uh, hotels that are roach infested, then you can use this trick and create automatically import negative reviews of hotels that had bugs, cockroaches or roaches mentioned in their reviews. Okay, So this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy my plugins. If you like this content, please subscribe to this channel, and until next time, bye bye.